If you want to add your Google account on Gmail app in iPad, first open App Store and just click here and just type Gmail and open this, and first install this Gmail app on your iPad. After install the app, just open the Gmail app and click sign in. In case if you have any iCloud or Google account or Microsoft account, you can select maybe Yahoo. You can select that option. For now it is Google account, Gmail account. I just select Google, continue, and here enter your Gmail address. You don't need to type at gmail.com, just type the name, that's enough. Then click next. Now enter the password. Next. Yeah, it's added. Right now here you can see my Gmail address. If it doesn't added initially, you just need to try again and again for a couple of times. Hopefully it works. If you turn on two-step verification, maybe it asks you to enter the code. Maybe the code will be sent to your trusted phone number. You just need to enter the code on the page. That's it. And if you want to know more videos about Google services on iPad, watch these videos.